Hello guys, welcome back to my story list new, and I'm Abel, the developer from my store. As you know, for over 3 weeks that I didn't release in any release new video, because we have just done the mid-term project, and now I'm come back and release new video and tell you what have we done in this period of time. I mean, in last 3 weeks. So let's start. This is some highlights that we have done in last 3 weeks. And the first of all, we fixed about 75 issues. Secondly, we finished compatible for Magento 2.2.11 for three package. Uh, Standard 3, Pro 3, and Enterprise 3. Third is update the new version for Magento functional testing framework. And the last one is release the tool to check the work stable. Okay, so let's go to detail. First, about the issues. There is some notable errors that we have fixed. And the first issue is could not print the report in Magento backend. As you know, our POS, we have a function call session that when your customer they start a working day, they can open new session and then process to create order on the POS, and then every figure about money, about sales will be record on the session. And at the end of the day, when the working time is over, the customer or maybe the manager can close the session, and they also can print the Z report to check that how much money that they earn in a day, and where it come from, and all about the figure about in the POS of the last day. And we provide another feature, so it allows you to print that report for the closed session in the Magento backend. Yeah, but for some reason it couldn't print that report. Okay, but of course, we have already fixed it. The second issue is total purchase order was calculated incorrectly. When you order some product from the supplier, you can record it by create a purchase order. This is one of our feature that we provide on the professional package and enterprise package. And we have just fixed the issue that the total is incorrect. The purchase order total is incorrect. The third issue is could not update the default billing and shipping address of the customer POS. That means when you try to update the billing and shipping address, I mean the default billing and shipping of the customer in our POS, for some reason it didn't update to the Magento backend. Normally, customer they can change their own default billing and shipping on the Magento front end, or the admin can help them to like update the address on the backend. But when they go to the store, they want to change the billing address, so maybe they want to change. So that's why we provide feature allow the cashier can create or edit the customer and also the customer address. Yeah, the fourth is product stock status is wrong in POS. That means uh, when you create or update some product stock in the Magento backend, and you go to check it on the POS on our POS, but for some reason is status is wrong. For example, you still have some quantity in the in stock, but the stock status that's shown in POS is still is out stock. So it's a quite big issues, and we have faced it immediately when we realized this issue. And the last issue I want to mention here is product quantity is updated incorrectly when creating shipment or POS for the order that the customer create on Magento frontend. Um, with our solution, you can process a function called buy online and fulfill offline. That means the customer can create an order on the front end, and they can go to your store and pick the items. And but for some reason, as for there was some reason that the when the cashier create a shipment that create on Magento front end, especially when uh, the stock that where you create the order is different with the stock that linked to your store. So basically, the quantity in stock and quantity in stocks will be updated incorrectly. So this is quite big issues, and we have faced this last week. So don't worry about that. And next, I will talk about the compatible. That you know that a month ago, Magento released Magento version 2.3.4. But last quarter, I got a notice that Magento stopped release any version for 2.2. But in last month, they still released 2.2.11. I don't know if this is the last version for 2.2, but we with any version that Magento release, we will compatible make compatible with our solution. And last 3 weeks, we have done the package to compatible with Magento 2.2 per element. And now, if you want to update your website, you still can use our solution. Okay, next is update Magento update MFTF. This is framework allow the developer can develop some automation testing tool on Magento system. Previously, we used the version 2.1.2. That is the version that we use when we built the automation tool. But Magento is a bit many feature, many syntax for the MFTF. So that's why last 2 weeks we decided to update to version the latest version. This is 2.5.3 to use all of the syntax of the Magento for build the automation test tool. And in the beginning, when I start my video, I mentioned about the medium term project that we have done, and this is we developed a tool to check the stable product. So, what is stable meaning here? Uh, Basically, when we testing, when we develop, we always testing everything that we create. But in the reality, in the when the customer use our solution, our POS in with their business, that means they will run like continuously and run for a long time. And that's why when we develop some issues that we cannot reproduce immediately, but when the customer run in live environment, they find out some issues. So we don't want that anymore. So that's why we decided to create a tool to check the stable. And this tool will like basically this will simulate the customer behavior for a long time. And for detail, that we try to simulate five behavior. The first is search product, second is scan product barcode, and search customer and search the order. With these four figures, we try to search eight of them 100 times with online mode on our POS and 100 times on the in the offline mode. And the last one is we create 100 over 1,000 orders continuously with every case that the customer can use on our POS for all of the product type that we support, like simple configurable, bundle group, virtual, and also the gift card product. And here I'll show you the report that we check, the latest report that we have done. Of course, you see here, it's just 98.6%. Of course, we want it can raise to 100%. And with this report, that I can check it on our code and fix it, and we can make sure that when you use our solution on your business, it will run very stable. It will run stably. And in the future, of course, we want to build some tools that we can help you to monitor your system. So that's tool that we only use to check to test our solution on the local environment and on some environment that we think that the customer might be used. But what about in reality when you use our solution? So we intend to build a tool that can install your site, and it can help you to monitor all about the POS. And we just design three figures that maybe we will implement on that tool. First is average time to search a product. Second is average time to scan the barcode for search product, of course. And the last one is average time to process payment. Process payment here, the meaning of process payment here uh, is start from is the time from when your customer or your cashier completely add all the items that they want to that the customer want to buy, and to the time that the order is already finished. That I mean that when your cashier can print the receipt and take the money from customer and give them receipt and completely complete the order. And I hope that we will try to release this feature soon. And I hope that you can give us some feedback to us to improve or uh, tell me that or tell us that what figure or what figure that you want to see to monitor your POS system. Okay, so this is the end of my video. If you have any question, please feel free to send us through my email or maybe directly call us to our phone. So we'll see you next time. Bye.